So on 9th of March,
Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoi District Giri Prasad iathuh baki pulit jong ka Ribhoi District Hynnin ka miet tarik lber por baje eiei mynmiet kila kem ngut ki briew baki suba donkti jingpyniap dusmon ya Rangbah na shnong Pahammawlein mer kini ki palasha kem no Shillong Prince Abraham Shillong Laiposan senam kerta na shnong Pahammawlein mer bat uba social kurba nyop ars senam kerta na shnong dap duki ki pulit kila register case bat pengat kendon ki haka case number 26 bat 302 IPC ka jingkem ki pulit ikite ki ngut ka de halor ka jingkeno bakila donkti ban pyniap dusmon ya Bah Elius Ryndong hendriu post nam tam na shnong Pahammawlein haka khandai tarik mentau benai haka por ba umi na yeng ban le chalengkha hakliar dap duki hendrai uklaman phai sho she yeng USP ulaya thu bai kini ki ngut lai tino shaka yeng bishar ban tokit bnia ban lam yaki jing shisha ki ba kham bnia.
so on 9th of March 2023 around 5:20 p.m. Barnihat outpost received a telephonic information that there was an unidentified male body found at 20th mile, Ribhoi district. So the police team rushed to the spot for further inquiry. On arrival of the spot, it was ascertained that the unknown dead body belonged to the late deceased Elius Ryndong of 20th mile, and the body was identified by the family members. And after that, the police team started the investigation process. We also registered the FIR immediately next day, and we started conducting the inquiry. So during the course of inquiry, we ascertained that the person who was deceased went for his work on the early morning of 9th March 2023 and never returned back to his home. So after that, further technical investigations were conducted, and also some of the statements of the available witnesses were taken. So during the inquiry, it was ascertained that the deceased person, Shri Elius Ryndong, had some kind of quarrel with two of the main suspects of this case. That is Shri Prince Abraham Shillong of 20th mile, Ribhoi district, and also Shri Sushil Kurba of Umdap Duki, falls under Ribhoi district. That the deceased person had some quarrel due to some personal enmity with the above two accused persons. So, along with the available technical tower dumps and tower locations, and also the statements of the witnesses, the Bhoi police yesterday, that is on 22 night, around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m., we managed to arrest the two accused persons with regard to this particular case. And also we have registered the case under NOMPO PS 26/3/2023 under section 302 of IPC. So based on the arrest which we have made, we have forwarded the accused now to the court, and further investigation is in process. We also assure the people of Ribhoi that Ribhoi police is very stern of any criminal activities or crime, and we will be always doing the needful to ensure that peace and tranquility prevails in the district. Thank you. No, so far these two accused persons have been forwarded and arrested to the court, but they have not been convicted because investigation is still ongoing, and only after the completion of investigation we will file the charge sheet against the accused persons.